Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your TikTok account public. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, I have TikTok open here. I will tap on the profile icon on the bottom right here. And then you can see my profile at the top right. I will click on the three lines, tap on settings and privacy. And then under account, you can see privacy. I will tap on that. And then here you can see the very first one under discoverability is private account, which it says here, with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and view your videos and likes. Your existing followers won't be affected. So basically this sets either a private or public account. So you can turn that on if you want a private account. But obviously you are on this video because you want a public account. So if it was private, you can turn it off. It will give you just a little warning and change the public. And then making sure that kind of what comes along with that. Anybody can view your videos and interact comments, like all that stuff. So that's it. You just turn that off if you want the public account. Make sure to know if you want the private account again. You can just tap that back on. If you tap that back on, you might want to go into your followers and kind of remove some followers that you maybe don't want, even if you set it to private account. So that's it. Pretty quick and easy. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.